So Jim Martin, 92, 93, and I think part of 94. It's pretty lonely at my end of the line here. But, anyway.
Mary O'Leary, 96, 97. I'm older than Jim, but he went first. But I was the first lady, which was. And we went over 100 members in my year.
Wow.
Nice.
I'm Christy McDonald, and I was 2001, 2002.
Yeah.
I'm Paul Reese, 2000,
They want a little info about
2003, 2004.
No, you were in 2004.
Oh, you were?
I was.
You were 2002.
2003, I don't even remember. 2002, 2003, and we met at the Elks Club, which was an experience in itself.
Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. And he could hardly wait to get out of there. I rescued the club 2003, 2004.
I missed a meeting and I was 2012.
Lonnie King, 2014, 2015.
Susie Andrist, I was then Susie Hanner, and that was 16, 17. No, 17, 18.
One of those years.
I'm not old.
That's all right.
We're missing Walt Meyer, who would be here.
All right.
I'm glad I'm gonna add the COVID years, 2019 and 20.
And I'm Chris Waugh. I was the next generation COVID year, 2021.
The only president who had no live meetings, right?
Well, just the passing of the gavel was a life.
Okay.
So I can give it to Gavel. Here.
Yeah, and in fact, that's when we started here, this is Kathy Hoffer, and it was 21, 22 that I was president, and we moved to the mission.
I was Randy Bernstein, I was 2022, 2023, and I guess the best thing was that I got to follow Kathy, so she set things up really nice for me. But it was also the year that Chris, who also sets things up nice, during my year started the service network, so we had a second satellite club.
Joelle Rankins Goodwin, 23, 24, right? Yeah, that's right. 23, 24, just a couple years ago. It's not a highlight, I'll just say RS.
RS.
Karen Fretwell, 2024, 2025. And I want to thank all of you for making my year relatively easy. And the board of directors that we had this year for accomplishing quite a bit. I'm really proud of the accomplishments we've made and all the fundraising we've done to all the people at that helped out at Matthew Knight Arena for raising $19,000 and selling a lot of hot dogs and beer. I really appreciate that, and we have set Sylvia up for a good financial year by all of our hard work. So now I would like to introduce Miss Sylvia Ryan, who she is an amazing woman, and she's going to make a great president for our club. And Sylvia, it's my honor to give you the big gavel. Yes, you guys can sit down.